How are the Cheater 604 valve springs compared to stock replacements? Are they snake oil?
They are. Because here's the thing. You're dealing with a hydraulic lifter. If you start putting a ton of spring pressure, I mean, if you're talking about like the ones that have more spring pressure, if you start putting a ton of spring pressure to that, what happens? Lifter bleeds down. What happens when the lifter bleeds down? You lose lift. What happens when you lose lift? You lose horsepower. So the whole cheater spring thing, I wouldn't give you $2 for a set.
I didn't know that. I mean, the longevity is going to be there.
Now, if we're talking a solid cam where it's not non-hydraulic, then yeah, you want the right, a good spring. But we're talking this stuff here, these damn blue beehive springs that GM sells, those things, I've got dudes that have run them 35 races and took them out and they checked the same as they did when they came out of the box that day, like the first day they were put on. So there's no reason to buy that stuff. Number one, because you don't need it. Number two, it's the easiest thing in the world to get caught in tech with.
Yeah.
So if you got a tech man worth a shit, you're thrown out on springs. It's a stupid thing to get thrown out over.
I would agree.